Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is California housing price prediction. This application is trained on the data based on California housing prices dataset. So all the inputs are calculated on the basis of California locations only. So here we will write the latitude as 15, longitude also as 15. We are just putting random values. If you want, you can modify as per your convenience. Households 1, medium income 500, 152. So as per the data, as per the model, the price of the house will be this 1 crore 41 lakh 48,071 dot something. So this is the California housing price prediction. If you want to get the data, how it is done, you want to see the code, then you can head towards file section and open the app.py file, and you will see all the code, how the model is trained, how the model is predicting the value, how it is designed, how the numbers, how the inputs are storing, all these. You can also get this code in the link in the description, so you can check from that also.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.